Welcome to a new episode of how you can make money online creating designs on Redbubble.com. In this episode, we'll explore this amazing platform and see how you can make money from your own creativity and talent. First, let's talk a little about what Redbubble.com is. It is an online platform that allows artists and designers to sell their own creations as products such as t-shirts, posters, mugs, and more. Redbubble.com has a large and active community of users, making the site a great source of exposure for emerging artists. But how can you make money from Redbubble.com? Well, you have to create your own designs, which are then turned into products. This can be done using an online design tool such as Canva.com. Here you can practice your design skills and create your own designs, whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro. Once you've created a design, you can upload it to Redbubble.com, where it can be used to create various custom products. Redbubble.com handles all aspects of production and shipping, so you don't have to worry about these details. You just need to create the designs and upload them to Redbubble.com. But how much can you earn by selling designs on Redbubble.com? This depends on many factors, such as the popularity and quality of your design, but also the number of products sold. However, many artists and designers have managed to earn significant income through this platform, which means that it is definitely a viable option for anyone who wants to make money online through their own creations. In conclusion, Redbubble.com is a fantastic platform for artists and designers who want to sell their own creations. Additionally, with the help of an online design tool like Canva.com, anyone can create their own designs and upload them to this site. So if you want to put your design skills to the test and earn money online, Redbubble.com might be just what you're looking for.